Good morning, students. Today's topic is methods of solving ordinary differential equation. ये स्टडी हम ये पढ़ चुके हैं कि ऑर्डिनरी डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन इस तरीके से लिखी जा सकती है एम एक्स वाई का मतलब फंक्शन ऑफ एक्स वाई डी एक्स प्लस एन फंक्शन ऑफ एक्स वाई एंड डी वाई इक्वल टू 0. Today we will study the solution, how to solve ordinary differential equation. Methods of solving are: number first, variable separate. जैसा कि इसके नाम से स्पष्ट दिखाई दे रहा है, वेरिएबल सेपरेट, यानी कि डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन में हमें क्या करना है, वेरिएबल को सेपरेट कर देना है। सेपरेट करने का मतलब यहाँ पर आप देख सकते हैं दो वेरिएबल है एक्स एंड वाई, तो एक्स को अलग कर देना है, वाई को अलग कर देना है। यानी कि अगर यहाँ पर इक्वेशन इस तरीके से हो जाए, ये इक्वेशन जो लिखी हुई इस इक्वेशन को अगर हम इस तरीके से लिख सकें, डी वाई अपॉन डी एक्स इक्वल टू एफ एक्स अपॉन जी वाई और एफ वाई अपॉन जी एक्स. We can see in this x variable is separated by y variable. X and y both are separated. For example, we can consider an equation to understand how to solve invariable separable. The question is 1 plus cos 2x dy plus 1 minus cos 2y dx equal to 0. Now make it for variable separable. We can change the sign of one variable, that is 1 plus cos 2x dy equal to minus 1 minus cos 2y dx. Now we will take y variable with dy and x variable with dx. So we can have here dy upon 1 minus cos 2y equal to minus dx upon this side 1 plus cos 2x. Now we will use the identity of cos 2 theta. Cos 2 theta, that is 2 cos square theta minus 1 or 1 minus 2 sin square theta. So here we can write 1 minus 2 sin square theta dy equal to minus dx upon 1 plus 2 cos square x minus 1. Same identity has been used. Here it is 1 minus 2 sin square x and here it is 2 cos square x minus 1. We can see here 1 cancelled, so that comes out to be dy upon 2 sin square x equal to minus dx upon 2 cos square x. We can cancel out to here. So now we can use 1 upon sin x equal to cosec x, that is here it is y. and it is cos square cosec square 1 upon sin cosec square y dy equal to minus sec square x dx. We can see we have separated x and y variable and simplified also, so that we can now integrate it. Integration of cos square x is minus cot x, that is now here minus cot y equal to sec square x का integration tan x plus constant of integration. So we can write here, it's a change the sign of tan x. So tan x minus cot y equal to c is the solution of this differential equation. Again we understand what we have to do in variable separate. We have to separate variable x and variable y. If we can separate the variable x and variable y separately in any ordinary differential equation, then we can use the method variable separable. And for example, we have considered the equation 1 plus cos 2x dy plus 1 minus cos 2y dx equal to 0. Here we can see, here it is written the function of x, here it is written function of y. We will try to separate these variables. So we are changing the side of 1 minus cos 2y dx, that is 1 minus cos 2y dx. We can see here it is written dy and here it is written dx. Here it is y function and here it is x. So we change y with y and x with x. Now we can see 1 minus cos 2y and 1 plus cos 2. Since we have here we have separated the differential equation. Now we have to solve it. To solve, we must simplify 1 minus cos 2y and 1 plus cos 2x. For this, we know that identity of cos 2 theta equal to 2 cos square theta minus 1 and 1 minus 2 sin square theta. In case of 1 minus cos 2y, we use the identity 1 minus 2 sin square theta, that is 1 minus 2 sin square y in case of cos 2y. And in case of plus cos 2x, we are using the identity 2 cos square theta minus 1. Here now we simplify, so 1 minus 1 cancel out and minus plus, that is dy upon 2 sin square y equal to minus dx upon 1 cancel out 2 cos square x. Now 2 is on both the sides, so we can cancel out 2 and 2. Now we know that 1 upon sin y equal to cos, so 1 upon sin square y equal to cos square y and 1 upon cos square x equal to sec square x. Now we can integrate, so take the integration sign, taking integration on both sides. We have integration of cos square y is minus cot y and integration of sec square x is tan x plus constant of integration c. Now we change the side of tan x, that is here tan x minus cot y equal to c is the solution of this differential equation. Okay, now we come again on a differential equation in which we can reduce it. Now we will study reducible to variable separable. Here अभी हमने पढ़ा how to separate variable in variable separable form. Now we are considering equations in which they are not directly variable separable, but we have to reduce them to be variable separable. Methods of reducible to variable separable is by suitable substitution. We have studied in indefinite integration that by suitable substitution we can integrate. So those substitution here can be used for reducing differential equation to variable separable form. For example, I am considering here to understand this concept. Another example, that is dy upon dx equal to x plus y plus 1. Here we can see in this equation, although variable x and y are written separately, but you cannot then solve in variable separable form. You cannot convert this equation in variable separate form as it is written. Okay, so for this situation to be converted in variable separable, we will use a suitable substitution, that is put x plus y equal to t, and this implies differentiating. We know that in integration we have studied that we have to differentiate this, that is x, differentiation of x equal to 1 plus differentiation of y can be written as dy upon dx, and differentiation of t with respect to x, that is dt upon dx. So we here get dy upon dx equal to dt upon dx minus 1. Using this substitution, we can reduce this equation to variable separable form. So now put the value of dy upon dx and x plus y. So the equation reduces to dt upon dx minus 1 equal to, and in place of x plus y we will put t plus 1. Now it is dt upon dx equal to, change the sign of minus 1, that is here it is t plus 2. Now we can see that we can separate the variable sorry t with t and x separately. So we can write this equation as dt upon t plus 2 equal to dx. You can see now this can be integrated very easily. So taking integration of both sides. Now this here is the integration of 1 upon x, and 1 upon x integration is log x, that is log base t plus 2, and integration of dx, that is 1 dx, so it is x plus constant of integration. We have used the here integration of 1 upon x plus k dx equal to log x. Now we put the value of t x plus y, that is x plus y plus 2 equal to x plus c. Now we again simplify this equation using log function. So this could be x plus y plus 2 equal to e to the power x plus c. As we know that then x equal to e to the power y. So using this concept we can simplify this again, x plus y plus 2 equal to e to the power x, property of indexes, and e to the power c. And in place of e to the power c we can use another constant c dash and e to the power x. This is your final answer. Once again understand this question. How we solve this? The question is dy upon dx equal to x plus y plus 1. We can see here we cannot separate x and y, although they are written separately, but this equation cannot be directly solved by the method of variable separable. So here solving by the method of variable separable, so we will reduce it to variable separable by using suitable substitution. That is, here we can see we have the function x plus y here. So we are just using substitution x plus y equal to t, and differentiating this we get 1 plus dy upon dx equal to dt upon dx, and changing the side of 1 we would get dy upon dx equal to dt upon dx minus 1, and using this substitution for x plus y equal to t, and this we get from the original equation dt upon dx minus 1 equal to t plus 1. Changing the side of minus 1 we can get t plus 2, that is dt upon dx equal to t plus 2. Now taking t plus 2 with t, we can have dt upon d plus 2 equal to dx, and now we can see it is already variable separated, and now we can take the integration on both sides, taking integration and using the identity, using the integral formula 1 upon x plus k dx equal to log x plus k plus c. Using this formula we can get the integration of dt upon d plus 2, that is log base c mod of t plus 2 equal to integration of 1 with respect to dx is x plus c. Substitute again the value of t, that is x plus y plus 2 equal to x plus c, and using the logarithmic formula log x equal to y base c, then x equal to e to the power y. So we here can get x plus y plus 2 equal to e to the power x plus c, and x plus y plus 2 equal to e to the power x into e to the power c. Now we can change this constant in another constant, that is c dash or a, whichever you want you can write. So this is the solution. Thank you.